I've been showing off my gut renovation over the past couple months, but I wanted to bring you inside as we get closer to the end, show you the finished product. Let's go take a look. As you enter the home, turn to the right. This used to be a formal dining room, but when you'd sit at the dining room table, you wouldn't get this beautiful view because it'd be nighttime. So what we did was transition this into a formal living. We had to remove a swinging door here. We replaced the paneling to match throughout the rest of the wall here. We made it to the kitchen. One of the first things you'll notice, it's bright as hell in here. We added a ton of recessed lighting throughout the main part of the kitchen, and then we put in these workshop lights in each individual area as part of the kitchen. We also put in these beautiful stone countertops. We lowered the island to one level, put in a Wolf cooktop, sub-zero fridge. And one of the biggest things we did, we wanted to spend our money in the kitchen because where we spend most time. We put in this big, beautiful, nice pantry, which used to be more of a mudroom area, which never got used. But this is the most expensive room. I had to replace the oil tank, the hot water heater, the furnace, and all the copper piping in the house. If you can avoid it and you could buy new, I highly recommend. We had to redo this entire deck. A lot of the railings and the columns were all rotted. And so the team really got in there, fixed it all up, patched everything, fixed the entire deck, and now it looks beautiful. So now we're out at the garage, and there's a little room off the side here that we're still doing work on, but it's gonna end up serving as my home office. It's a great spot to work, and obviously you get a beautiful view. If you're thinking about doing a renovation, I know a lot of players in the space now, I'm truly in the thick of it, and I'd be happy to help out. Feel free to give me a call anytime.